It's Wednesday, but today I figured I'd just make a day in the life video. And of course, I'm gonna show you the project. I mean, I haven't been uploading, but that doesn't mean I haven't been coding. Yeah, I actually got half of my landing page done. It's kind of nice. Let's get started. Question: if your clothes aren't that dirty, but they're not that clean that you can put them back into the closet, where do you put them? The chair. A place where non-dirty and not completely clean laundry lives, waiting to be reused again. We're back at the desk. I was thinking of going to a cafe today, but I wasn't in the mood because, you know, home is always more comfy. Got my keyboard. I got a bigger monitor. It's more easy to work with and be more productive from home, even though it's like vibes and chill from a cafe. But yeah, in this section, this part of the video, I want to talk to you guys because I want to justify why I haven't been uploading lately. This camera that I'm using to record right now was borrowed by my friend. He's a videographer and he needs like a B cam that has a gimbal and it's not too big to carry around. He already uses like a full frame camera, so it's tiring. So this was his B cam last week. And the second one, I've been really busy. But that doesn't mean that I didn't record anything. And that also doesn't mean that I haven't been coding. Okay, let me fire up the project to show you guys. Hey, what are we thinking? This looks sick, doesn't it? It looks cool. Here, I have this one area, one section where I'm gonna put in like maybe like the new features in development, and then there's gonna be the feature section, the pricing, and some blog that I'm gonna set up for SEO, which is I know Next.js is really good for. This is just log in. I haven't implemented the password and credentials login, but I already have the OAuth. Then this is the powering the next generation. Yeah, backend wise, I have these tiny notes that I write down. Yeah, I don't know, it's not meant for you guys to read, but what it basically meant is I just refactored some code because my front end was getting too cluttered. There's some backend refactoring that I just did. So initially, when you created the session, there's going to be a lot of sessions for each users. But then I made it so that if the user has an active session, there's only one. So they can't create more and my storage doesn't become bloated. But I haven't created a cron job that will delete the session after. Yeah. Anyhow, we're going to start looking for some front-end inspirations to start designing the dashboard. Shit. Shit, dude. We made it.
China Medical University.
We made it. Let's get lunch. Walk in. Almost there. It's just kind of wrapped. It's kind of nice. There's like chicken inside and cheese and some, what's that, peanuts? I love it. The plan is I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna go grocery shopping after this. I need to buy some coffee, peanut butter, do like this zone 2 30-minute run. Yeah, I'm trying to get healthy over here. Okay, I think I'm taking this one. Just need peanut butter and coffee. I think we can go now. We're done with that. We're gonna go home and we're gonna go for a bit of a run. I want to get 150 to 200 minutes of zone 2 cardio each week. I mean, I always loved the idea of going on a bus on an MRT, and there's something about having personal transport. I mean, it's probably because of my age, but I feel like there's a lot of like swagger to it, and you know, it's a way for people to show off. Especially me. I had a big bike before, and now I'm taking public transport again because I sold that bike because I'm trying to save up some money. And yeah, it's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. And honestly, like everyone thought I was gonna be depressed and stressed out because I have to take the public transport again. But I always find it to be fun. I find it to be nice. I find it, you know, even though I'm cramped up with 10, 20, 30 other people in the bus, I just feel like there's like this kind of like similarity in the struggle. We're just gonna go home and we're gonna go on a run. The goal is to zone 2 for 20 minutes. Yeah. And hopefully it doesn't rain. Finish the run. It's 20 minutes. I got an 8.5 minute pace and I barely got 3 kilometers. But we're gonna try and stay in zone 2. That's the goal. We gotta stay healthy. Yeah, I just wanna stay in zone 2. I just want to say thanks for watching. I think that's it for today. It's a pretty productive day and I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna wind down the rest of the day. I'm gonna play GTA with my girlfriend. But yeah, I guess that's it and see you in the next video.